Hello there, Scott with SkipperBud's. One of our newest listings, an 05 Supra 21V Launch 21V. Does have an attitude plate on the back, calm those waves out, or make them bigger if you pull it up. Black with a gray exterior on a nice tandem axle trailer. Got a nice tower with a bimini. Does have a spare tire there. Jump on board here. Boat's got 460 hours on it. Nice V drive layout. Plenty of room for all your friends and family. It's got the Inmar Assault engine on it. Electronically fuel injected. Great boat setup to do it all. Surf, wakeboard, ski. Can really kind of handle it everything. Does have perfect pass. You got your little trim flexes for that plate in the back. Nice stereo. Your weight plate monitoring device. Does have ballast. It's got a center bag and two back bags. Does have a battery switch right here. Dual battery. There are wakeboard racks with the boat. Does come with a snap-on bow and a cockpit cover as well. And a bimini top, of course, for that. Pop-up cleats. Recessed cup holders. So really kind of a great boat, especially if you want to get out there, start doing some surfing and wakeboarding at a reasonable cost. 13-person capacity on this boat. It's got a nice swim deck on the back here with marine deck on it. So yeah, if you have any further questions on this boat or any other boat on our SkipperBud's website, please give us a call. We are always happy to assist, help you get into a new boat.